Well, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Oh, look at the children. Hey, look. Hey, Ava, you on TV? Say hey. Ava, say hey, you on TV? Look. Hey.
Hey, don't put me on no TV.
You're on television anyway.
Yo, am I on the news, bro? What's good?
No, you're not on the news. You're on live stream right now.
Oh, I'm on live.
Don't. All right.
I thought I was on live. That's what I told you.
Well, this is going on YouTube. Oh, focus camera. What you gotta say, Cardi? Candy face.
Why are you making that face?
Okay. All right. Never mind them. But anyway, y'all, ladies and gentlemen, day one still in Houston. You know, having a great time. I mean, it's a possibility that I might leave tomorrow, which I'm not ready to leave. If RTA ain't running, if the stores ain't open, or whatever. So, Eva, what you got to say? Nothing. Nothing. Jace, nothing. All right. This is just a recording. All right. So hopefully they don't disconnect me, cause they was watching cartoons all day probably and commercials. Yeah, y'all. What y'all were watching? I wonder what y'all was watching. Oh, anyway, all right, so as I you have something to say? Jay, you got something to say? All right, you got something to say, huh? All right. So all right, should I stop this or what? So honestly, y'all, I want to see Deonka Starks before I leave. Oh, and my friend Emmanuel is on here. Yeah, what's up, Emmanuel? Yeah, this is Facebook Live, but eventually
Put camera on there.
well let me use my other camera too. Yeah, another camera. Okay.
Put the camera on there.
Okay. Yeah. Say we. Oh, they did. I was listening to Jay-Z. This camera cut what Jay's did.
You saw what she did? See what I did?
I don't know what that is. If it's inappropriate, don't tell her don't do that. I don't like inappropriate dancing. Oh, thank God, because I could get in trouble for that. All right. All right. So anyway, as y'all see, we having fun over here, family and everything, you know. So I forgot to show. What I forgot to show. Where my other camera at? Jeez. My other camera missing. Is it in this pocket? Yeah. It's probably in this pocket. Oh, it is in this pocket. Yeah. Oh.
exactly.
Shorty, who is Shorty?
Oh, gritty, gritty, gritty.
All right.
I think she was walking outside like a trucker. But you ain't walking no more, girl. Yeah, like you gotta tell her, Evelyn, she got you messed up. She gonna be the one, baby. She ain't saying
Yeah.
play with her. You like
You on television. Oh, be careful, y'all.
don't jump over her head like that.
Yeah, y'all might hurt her doing that.
Go down the step by herself.
All right, so. Well, I mean, so much fun I have in Texas once again because I was in Dallas after Katrina, you know. Hey, you know what? I hope I see my friend while I'm out here. Yeah, I hope so, y'all. Okay, I'm watching this movie. Hey, what's the name of this movie, Jade? Just Right. Okay, Just Right. Well, y'all don't want to see that. You know, this is still day one to be in Houston, Texas. Oh, Jake's back. Jake's back. I got so much work to do when I get home. Yeah, really. All right, so I should have took the camera off of Jace.
Why you got her shoes on?
Well, there he go. All right, be careful. No splits. No splits. Hurry up. Get up. Get up. All right. I think those are dangerous. I don't trust them splits. Probably. If y'all if you stand in that position too long.
What your socks at, man?
My socks?
Yo, what socks?
Of course I wear socks. Patrick asked me, do I wear socks?
I won't be on this show.
It's too late. You already caught on. Okay. Yeah, so sometimes they disconnect me. Yeah, please stop, y'all. Well, I'm not leaving yet.
I'm saying, yo, look, Carter got socks.
Well, I forgot my slippers. Yeah, Patrick wearing about me wearing socks and shoes. I left I left my slippers in New Orleans. I left.
A man with no socks on. I hate when they wear slides with no socks.
Oh,
I be tearing my cousin ass up.
for what?
Wearing socks with no, wearing slides with no socks.
No, well, I ain't worrying about that. I ain't your cousin.
Your feet commando, dog.
Feet commando my foot. Oh yeah, she.
I know she ain't over there because as soon as I touch Jade and stuff, he started squirming.
Squirming, huh?
Look at it. He didn't much touch stuff.
All right. I don't know why Eva started screaming like that.
Why y'all almost slow, John? Like, y'all. You mess with one, all three of them come on slow.
All right.
One of them on my side.
All right.
Every time I come
You know what, Jade? I must say, I'm having fun over here. Yep. Better than being in that toast oven. I know you'll go crazy if you be hot for several days, huh? No. I wouldn't take it. Hey, y'all know how sweaty I was in that video, you know, that day, you know. So while these While these goofy kids having fun, especially Riley, too big for that, I guess. Say that again. You're right about that. That's correct. You know. Yeah. So. All right. Focus camera. Okay. Ah. So, what's going on? Ava, what you want to say?
Eva, you want to go in the room? David, Eva's trying to go in the room. Come on.
Ava, what y'all doing?
Why you eat camera?
Yeah, Rap City, I guess. Ain't nothing but Rap City. Oh wait. Hey, what you saying, Eva? What you saying? Nothing. All right, so anyway, I mean, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna get mad at my friend. I love her, but every time I would confront her, she cries. You know, but I really don't want to say nothing bad about her on my show. Then you viewers will hate me if y'all find out that I made her cry. You know. You people be like, oh, that was mean, Domino. You wrong for that. I'm sorry, you know. Could confront somebody that cries, and I can't take crying, you know. Diak, if you're watching this, please come see me while I'm still in Houston, Texas. If all that, you shouldn't have still living in Texas, you know. This. And do y'all hear Riley cursing? So, this not my first time hearing her curse. She cursed when she was a kid. Riley, you cursed when you was a kid. You got a filthy mouth. Okay. All right, so, oh, hello. All right.
You awesome, Marvin?
Well, what else I want to say? Jason, anything you want to say? Nothing? Say nothing. I don't know if the camera caught that. You know, from L'Oreal pumping curls. L'Oreal pumping curls. That was years ago, y'all. Okay. That was so many years ago. Pumping curls from L'Oreal. Yes, I'm live. It was just one. This Facebook Live. It's going to eventually go on YouTube when I get back. Yes, it will, y'all. And you know, they cut on the camera. I don't know if it's KHOU, KDFI, or WGN or WVU. I don't know. So some station going to broadcast me. Yeah. So one of y'all going to broadcast me. I don't know. Like who? Well, all right. Whatever you say. Bubblegum. Yeah, bubblegum faces. Should I say that on TV? You don't care? Are you sure You don't care? She sure I don't care. I mean, she don't care. So so much fun with family. God is good, you know. I hope my aunties is watching this. You know, you know you are. I hope you're watching. You know, cause I'm having fun. The other twin is okay. You know, so I'm talking to whoever's concerned. You know, cause we doing great. We couldn't take it in that toaster oven. It was hell over Harlem. You know, yes. Who wants to be in a house where you be toasted like marshmallows? You don't want to be there when you toast like marshmallows. I know the mayor Latoya Cantrell was very frustrated. You know, she was very frustrated. You know, Mitch Landrieu would be frustrated too, as far as I know. You know, so I don't know about Mitch Landrieu though. So he not our mayor anymore. But I'm glad Ray Nagin ain't our mayor no more. Yeah, but I still miss Mark Morial. I'm not really into no politics. All right, so I better go see what my people want right now. So I'm out. I'll probably be back. I don't know. Okay. All right. So just in case I do be back, watch y'all watch a cartoon, a film, or whatever, or a commercial. All right. All right. I'm coming.